Hello everyone, welcome to the sunset here in Monroe, Georgia. As you can see that my shadow, this is AAA trucks, and this is our stock number 333735. This is a 2016 Peterbilt, model number 579. It's an automatic, it's a 10-speed. Moving around here really clean. Got the HydraFLOW there with a wet kit. Sliding fifth wheel, really good. Wow, look at that sunset. This is a beautiful truck. Got good rubber on both sides. Sweeping around here, it's got 615,000 miles on it. It's got a Paccar engine, 450 horsepower. Let's see, let's go on and get inside here. That's where you'll be spending all your time. Ooh, got a nice new seat. Look at inside. Really nice. No weird smells. So you'll be spending comfortable time in here. We'll climb back out. This is a really clean truck. I don't think this is going to stay here long. So come on down to AAA Trucks in Monroe, and we'll get you rolling.